this Earth Map Zoom application here, is it really what it say it is? Let's take a look. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the whole application, and first look on the application down here, you have some famous places, but these places you'll just see like a pretty much crappy image of the famous place here. As you can see, let's say for example I'm gonna talk about London, and this is pretty much what to be getting. And if we go in the weather section, we give you weather update based on London. As you can see here, you have travel information. This is pretty much some crappy photo here, so nothing much for that. So this is pretty much all for all of other popular places here. So very crappy. You have the traffic camera, which doesn't make sense as well. You have the world clock here, which is the only thing on this application that I will say that does really make sense. So that's pretty much it for that. Here you have the air quality as it relates to places or your location. So that's pretty much, you have the compass as well. So for the phone number locator, it doesn't work. It will just ask you your phone number and it will just give you a random location. So it doesn't work. So that's pretty much it for that. There, the camera option here, it will look like this. Just a very pretty crappy view of the map, distant view of the map I should say. But down here you can tap on this option down here and you can select other options as it relates to the map. You can select the satellite option, which in return you can also go at the top here and search for wherever you want to go, and as well you will get a live feed from specific places. As you can see here, Florida. And if I do tap on these live feeds are pretty much from YouTube, and you will see, as you can see here, once I tap on them, they won't play. So do keep that in mind. And down here, if I tap on this location icon here, will just give you my location. So I'm not gonna tap on that. So the camera or the 360 camera option is the worst. This is some of the crazy, let's say these are the famous places that people go to and I want to see them. Once I tap on this here, this is pretty much the image that I'm looking at right here. It is crazy. This is the worst image I've ever seen on the application. So this is the quality of the image that is seen. If I do look up, this is what I'm seeing. So this does apply to everything here. As you can see, it will show the same graphic image as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. I don't know why this is even on Play Store, but if I missed anything, you need anything or understanding, you don't understand something about this application, leave a comment. But with all that, guys, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.